Hi students, second exercise, second Roman before up to 2 problems completed. Now third question. Here they given 3 lines AC, BD and another one they given. Here find x value. Here observe in this figure opposite angles. We know that what is condition for opposite angles? Opposite angles are equal. Means these two angles are equal. Condition opposite angles are equal. Means that two angles are equal. 2 plus 3x equal to 62. 3x equal to 62 minus 2. 3x equal to 60. X equal to 60 by 3. Now x equal to 20. X equal to 20 degrees. Fourth one, they given one of the diagram in this AOC, AOB. Here observe, this is complementary angles. We know that complementary angles sum equal to 90 degrees. Means angle AOB plus BOC equal to 90 degrees. For that 40 plus 6x plus 2 equal to 90 degrees. Like that. So angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 90 degrees. That here form right angle, otherwise complementary angles. Means AOB means 40 plus 6x plus 2 equal to 90 degrees. 6x plus 40 plus 2, 42 equal to 90. 6x equal to 90 minus 42. 6x equal to 48. 90 minus 42, 48. X equal to 48 by 6. 6 8s. X equal to 8 degrees. This is answer. X equal to 8. Third question. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at a O. Means AB, CD lines intersect at O. And if angle AOC equal to 40 degrees and AOC plus BOE sum equal to 70 degrees. In question they given angle AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. Find angle BOE here and reflex angle COE here. Reflex means opposite. See here answer. Given that what they given in question, angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. Here vertically opposite angles are equal, means angle AOC equal to angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. These two are equal. And given that what they given, angle AOC plus angle BOE. Here angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees they given. We know that angle AOC equal to 40 degrees. 40 plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Now angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40, we get 30 degrees. Angle BOE equal to 30 degrees. For that here linear pair means sum equal to 180. Sum equal to 180. What are linear pair here? Angle AOC plus angle COE in that figure observe plus angle BOE equal to linear pair means 180 degrees. We know that AOC equal to 40 plus angle COE plus BOE means 30 degrees. 30 equal to 180. 40 plus 30, 70. Angle COE plus 70 degrees equal to 180 degrees. For that angle COE equal to 180 minus 70. Angle COE equal to 110 degrees. And what they asking? Reflex. So reflex angle COE equal to, reflex means opposite 360 minus 110 degrees. 360 minus total, here convert 360, we get up to here 110. 360 minus 110, we get 250 degrees. This is answer. Fourth question. In the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degrees, means here POY, here 90 degrees, and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, find C. Here A, B, C, they given 3 angles. A is to B, they given 2 is to 3, find C. So what they given in right? Angle POY. So given that, so given what they given, angle POY equal to 90 degrees and angle POM equal to small a, here POM, here they given angle A. Next, angle MOX equal to small b, angle XON equal to small c. Here A and B are complementary angles. Here observe AB, these two, straight line is there here, 90 degrees will be these two complementary angles. Here right, AB are complementary. AB are complementary angles. Here AB, complementary means sum equal to 90 degrees. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Then they given ratio A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Then A equal to 2 by 5. Sum of the ratio 2 plus 3 equal to 5 into total they given 90. 90. Here 5 cancellation, we get 36. Next to B equal to 3 by sum of the ratio into 90 degrees, we get 54 degrees. Here understand children, A is to B they given 2 is to 3 and sum of the ratio. Why? Because here complementary angles sum equal to 90 degrees, means A plus B equal to 90. A is to B they given ratio, then A equal to 2, B equal to 3 ratio equal 2 by sum of the ratio into 90. Total cancellation, we get 36 degrees. Here B equal to 3 by 5 into 90, we get 54 degrees. Then here again opposite angles. Here what are opposite? XOM, angle XOM and angle YON are opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. We know that opposite angles are equal. YON equal to angle XOM equal to what we get here? Small b, means here also b. B angle we find here 54 degrees. 54 degrees. And again another one, linear pair. Linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. What are linear pair? Angle XON and angle YON are linear pair. Linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. Here see, means angle XON plus angle YON, these two linear pair. Linear means sum equal to 180 degrees. Here XON means C. C plus angle YON equal to 180 degrees. YON also we get here 54. C plus 54 degrees equal to 180 degrees. C equal to 180 minus 54. 180 minus 54. We get 126. We get 126. Here A equal to 36 degrees. Then B equal to we get 54 degrees. C equal to 126 degrees. Fifth question. In the given figure, an angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. See this answer. Here given that, see this figure, what they given, angle PQS. Here observe PQS and PQR. PQR means up to here angle, as well as this is one of the straight angle like this. Angle PQS, angle PQR, these two, as well as like that another one PRQ. PRQ means inside of the angle, and next one PRT means here, means both are same. These two which type of angles? Supplementary angles. Understand children here? Angle PQS and PQR means outside angle, inside angle. This is one of the supplementary, as well as PRQ means inside angle, PRT outside angle, up to here total. This also supplementary, means these two are supplementary angles. We know that supplementary means sum equal to 180 degrees. Here see, in the given figure, angle PQS and angle PQR, as well as angle PRQ and angle PRT are supplementary angles. Supplementary means sum equal to 180 degrees, means these two sum equal to these two sum, means both are same. Angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degrees. But given, what they given, angle PQR equal to PRQ. Here observe angle PQR, this one. Here angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. These two equal they given. Means these two equal means then automatically these two also equal. Means therefore angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Here understand children? So they given two angles. These two angles are equal. Means here in this figure PQR equal to PRQ. Means inside angles are equal. Then automatically then outside also equal. Means therefore angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Here hence proved. They are asking only prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT.